Alrighty, it started working, right? And you are using TS TypeScript. That's great. So how did you manage to make it work?
So actually, so I first converted the TypeScript file into GS.
Okay, that's pretty good. Generated index.ts. Can you click on index.ts file for a while? Just a sec. Just for a sec. Inside source there is a yeah. This would also be okay. It would be better if you click on the TS file. This is a generated one. Yeah, inside source index.ts. Okay, you are exporting all these things. So ultimately using Prisma and scroll a bit below. Down a bit. That's it. The last exports that you have at the end.
I don't know why means I can't export it in one go. Means like
first of all, you are exporting the Prisma client. That's fine. And apart from that particular thing, you can export the types if you want. Dot generated Prisma. You are trying to export everything.
I exported that also.
Okay, so
First I was exporting only the index file, but that didn't work. So then I exported the types. Then it worked.
okay. That's a bit. Where did you get this code from? From the Prisma documentation?
I have tried, but that didn't work actually. Then I have looked in, means I have searched in YouTube, then I got in your video and the last portion, you have told that first to convert it,
Yeah.
the compilation error was coming. Like, because my Node.js backend was is running on JS, and
That's right.
this file is Prisma generates in TypeScript.
That's true.
So that problem was coming.
Yeah, and ultimately from here you are exporting client model in enums. Just a sec. Let me have a look in the documentation exactly how many things they are exporting from there. So Prisma with I think they are exporting two things from there. They are exporting the clients and maybe they are exporting the models. That's it.
Yes.
In the documentation. So over here. Yeah, so firstly the client and the second is generated Prisma client. So they are exporting the Prisma client and they are exporting everything from the client. So everything from the client in the sense all the types get exported. So generated types get exported and the client. That's it in the documentation. If it is working, then that's really awesome. By the way, you could have exported two things from here. First one, you are already exporting the Prisma, and the second thing is the client.js. Even if you just remove models and enums, it should be working fine. So just comment both of them, and you have removed that. Never mind. You can comment them. Yeah, click on the package.json. And over here you are exporting dot types dist index.dtos. So this is the type and this is the default. That's pretty much good. Almost it should be working right now. So ultimately you are exporting two things. You are exporting the client, that Prisma client, from the source /index.ts file, and you are exporting all the types, the generated types. So you will be able to get those types wherever you want. So
I want to know that if currently I am working on the HTTP server.
Okay.
So so if I export this Prisma client into GS, means I am now exporting in GS.
Yeah, that's right.
So will it work in the Next.js version? Means, because they are Next.js version is directly working in TypeScript.
In Next.js it doesn't really matter. It handles everything. So whether you convert it to JS or you don't convert it to JS, everything's fine for that.
Currently learning the Next.js. It's cool, but
Okay.
Document is literally tough to read.
Next.js, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Initially it does get tricky, but slowly it becomes in the habit. Like you must have known React.js if I'm not wrong, right?
Which one? I didn't.
I'm talking about React.js. You must be knowing that.
Yes.
So switching to Next.js, again there are new things, but base is same, but ultimately you will have to go through many things. That is true. So it could be what, a bit too much initially.
Yes.
Alrighty, someone else is here. Just
Beginner perspective is it's a lot of stuff.
yeah, man. Initially there is. Hi Pushparaj, how are you doing?
Hi bro, hello everyone.
Hi. Meet Sahil here.
Hi.
Alrighty, so Sahil, just try to run this code, see whether it actually works as expected or not. Even I was supposed to be getting in touch with Pushparaj too in the evening. I just told him in the evening I will catch up with you. Try to run it and see whether you get the errors or everything's working fine. Okay, HTTP server is running on 4000. Try to make a request. Are you using the Prisma client in the HTTP server?
Yes.
Index.ts and wow, file name dir name. This is interesting. You are using EJS or what?
Which one?
You are not using EJS, right? This is just the backend. Yeah, just the backend. The path is just a minute.
I want to there is a I can't this env file. I can't load this code directly into the.
It's better to keep the env files in all the servers or apps separately. So keep the env file separate.
But I have read the document. It says it's good to load only root file from the root file.
Look, if you are loading from the root file, that means that will contain the environment variables for all the servers and the apps that you have on your application, right? In this environment. And it's better to keep the environment, even it is mentioned in the documentation that keep the env file separate, so that if there is a server that has its own environment variables, and if there is an app or another server or another service that has its own environment variables. And there is a way to just keep the, like you have already mentioned it over here, you can use the global environment variable file, and that will also be working, but you will have to specify the paths, that the way you have done here. Yeah, by the way, so far I actually prefer keeping separate environment variable files, so that if something requires something else, so I can keep it there, but it's completely up to you, personal choice. Okay, user ID, quite great. And you are just trying to sign up here and try to make a request to the server. I mean, is it able to handle everything and save in the DB? And you are using Prisma, fine. PostgreSQL. Are you using a Postman for making requests to the server?
Yes.
And there is another extension, Thunderbolt. Using that you must have known that. So I just got to know about it maybe a couple of weeks ago. User already exists. Interesting. Overall, things are great. You are quite good at writing the backend code. You have written all these things on your own, haven't you?
Yes.
Interesting then. Great job.
Not all means I took help some. Means I'm currently this is the backend of Excalibur.
Excalibur. The name is crazy. Excalibur.
Yes.
Oh yeah. I was mispronouncing it initially, and then I just searched it.
I'm currently learning it.
You are already good at it, quite good at it. And as for this language, everyone keeps learning. It's not like someone has learned everything. .env config path.resolve dir name ... How many directories behind you are going? 1, 2, 3. 3 directories behind. By the way, did you check that? Is this working?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Login WebSocket server. And by the way, let me even check meanwhile whether I'm actually live on YouTube or not. By the way, the first live on my first new channel. Not first, just a new channel. I haven't been able to go live because just yesterday I created it, so yesterday I couldn't go live, and then today I got the access. I got verified, authorized. So if I just actually click on this YouTube Studio, I hope you guys are not able to, because I'm not sharing this screen. Never mind. But what the hell? I thought I was live. Upload interrupted. Okay, I should be in the live section. I am live. Alrighty, pretty much interesting. And welcome back. The first live ever, and here we are in this Google Meet. Alright, so I'm back. Okay, HTTP running on 4000 port. That means there's no request it has got yet. Make it run and check it, and then let's just discuss about some other things as well, like making projects in group and all. And after that, we'll be calling it. So the Zod is validating the data. That simply means you need to give it the right payload. Schema, source, types. Username string minimum 3. Username should be more than 3. Password should be more than 6. And overall things are fine. So you can make the password more than 6 letter characters. And overall things should be fine. The Zod error should be giving you the kind of error, like because of this particular field you are getting this particular error. Are you on Windows or on some other operating system?
I have installed Postman in my
Postman? What is this? Is this kind of a distro, Linux distro?
No. Postman to get the to check the.
Okay, Postman, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm talking about the operating system. Are you on Windows or Linux or some other?
Windows.
Windows, okay. By the way, Pushparaj, what have you been doing today?
Yeah, bro, I was just working on my project that we have discussed, right?
Okay.
And I was able to make some changes in that.
Sorry for the morning. I was actually going out, and I have been out all the day. And because of that thing, I just simply said in the evening I will be catching up.
It's okay.
So, you've been working on the project all the day?
Sorry, didn't get you?
Like, have you been working on the project all the day, or that was?
Yeah, all the day. From yesterday only I was able to. I connected with my brother. He helped me.
Your brother, the person who was actually building that project for the government, government.
Yeah. Right.
So, he helped you with the project. He helped you with the project that you were working on.
Yeah, he helped me. He made me understood some things that I was not clear about. Then I got it. Then I was able to do
that's
changes
amazing.
on my own, and I was able to do things by my own. And I was very
Happy. Let me add this particular word at the end. Interesting.
Yeah.
It's good that he is able to manage to just give you some time to. That's gonna be really beneficial for you.
Yeah, he was making APIs, and after that he just told me, wait, don't take stress that much. I will connect and I will let you know what you have to do.
Amazing. Glad to know that. And Sahil, what is up?
Currently having Zod error.
You are getting the Zod error still. Can you actually share the Zod screen? The screen of that Postman? because right now we can only see the VS Code. But yeah, you should be thankful, like you should be grateful actually. You fixed it on your own, like you actually converted everything and made it work. Congratulations for that.
I was trying from 2 to 3 days to 2
No, Thai. You can see the videos, how many videos I worked. Some days I went live all the day, and all the day I kept doing only one thing, fixing this issue. So it happens initially. What is the Zod error saying? String invalid. Are you putting the right email? Like you using @gmail.com and all?
Yes.
So invalid string.
Dummy detail. Yes, I guess.
Is it possible for you to share the screen of Zod?
Yes.
Or use Thunderbolt over here to make request on VS Code itself. Username should be string minimum 3 max 20. Email z.email and string minimum 6 max 20. Simple. And that is just. I hope you are trying to sign up right now.
Yes.
Yeah, so it should be fine. I mean, okay, here we are getting something. Model name user Prisma client. Just a sec. Sign up either Prisma client. It is unable to get your environment variables.
Okay, I have to. What you have told, I have to do that.
Do that. Create the environment variable file right here for this particular one.
Root file.
Yeah, bilkul. Do that. Copy it and paste it there. Inside the HTTP server, haven't you defined proper .env configuration?
Where?
Inside, like somewhere you have actually configured .env properly, right? Using dot something like that.
Yes.
Haven't you done the same in this server file?
Actually,
HTTP.
means, I have imported the Prisma database string also from root file.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't move it now, but
No. I think you have configured .env inside database. That's it.
Yes, but means from root folder only I am fetching that in database URL in the what is it? Prisma client.
Okay, let's click on the index.ts inside database. Okay, go to the top. Alright, here. Okay, let's go to prisma.config.ts over inside the database itself, and copy this configuration, whatever configuration you have for .env. Copy the whole, copy it all, config and all the things. No, just the configuration for the .env. So config and that much load. Yeah, this and that import from the top. You can import it. Leave it here. Just copy it. That's it. Click Ctrl Z. You should be clicking Ctrl Z. Don't do that. What are you doing? I'm saying go to prisma.config.ts. Ctrl Z. यहाँ पर आप Ctrl Z कर दो, बेहतर रहेगा, so that वो दोबारा फाइल्स आ जाए. पर अच्छा, पर्सनली क्रिएट कर रहे हो क्या सभी के लिए?
पर्सनली नहीं, मतलब एक ही फाइल क्रिएट किया है और उधर से ही मतलब सारे फोल्डर्स में मैंने यूज किया.
Yeah, that's fine, and I'm asking you to do the same. Just click Ctrl Z, keep the same configuration. The thing is that that .env configuration you will have to keep in all the servers, web server, HTTP server, and the app. You are creating separate .env files. That's also good. I mean, that's not bad either. You are inside HTTP server. You are removing that. Okay. You already had it. Sorry, I thought you did not. Your error sign up period Prisma, non request invalid Prisma.find unique invocation error connection refused the model name user, so it refused the connection for that. Let's see how it's gonna be going on. I think you will have to restart the server. Have you done the configuration, everything? Okay. Congratulations, it is working right now. Check the other thing out. Like try to make the requests. Okay. Somewhere you are using .env. What is this error all about? Okay, some maybe inside which file?
I guess I have to.
Database URL. It does not really matter if you keep it here or not. But it is mainly for build. So whenever the file is actually getting built, and if something changes inside the environment variable, so it should be rebuilding that. By the way, keep database URL. .env global dependency. Sorry. Okay, just stop here wherever the error was. JWT secret missing in root. There's no JWT secret. That simply means you are not getting all the environment variables. In which particular file? Just a sec. Inside where is the file name? .env WebSocket server. Go to WebSocket server. Oh, yeah. You have to copy that and you have to paste the same thing inside the WebSocket server as well. That's the one left. There's nothing. And how about the .env configuration inside the source of WebSocket? Now the code looks slowly, it will keep getting heavier. Okay, you can remove this particular thing. If you already have the .env file here, so remove this particular part, the configuration that you have. But you will still need .env. So import .env from .env. So you are getting config, right? Aren't you? Okay, you already have the .env, and then write .env.config. It will just the normal configuration. Don't add anything extra. .env.config. That's it. It should be enough. Same you have to do inside the web HTTP server as well if you haven't done it. Yeah, import .env from .env. And yeah, .env.config. That is it. Try to run it again.
Hope so it doesn't.
Let's see. Even if we get the, we can just resolve this. Not a big problem. Log file is up to date. Go to WebSocket. Okay, this is supposed to be working. Try to make a request to the database. I wish I could control everything now.
Yes.
So over here, error connection, Udemy, invocation run docker. Still you are getting the Prisma. Is your database running? Which database you are actually using?
From neon do you use?
Get another string. I hope that's not the reason, but try to do that. Or try to do you have a Postgres installed on your local system?
No.
Do you know how to use Docker?
Yes, it's not. I'm currently learning.
Okay, that's fine. You just simply get the string from there, from Neon, or go to Prisma only, Prisma website, and from there you can actually get a string. The last time you tried, did you try to make a request to the server, or it was just simply working like this?
Actually, the code was working means at 4 p.m. only.
Mhm.
So I haven't checked the route, so I just slept.
That means you didn't make any request to the server actually to just check whether it's actually saving the data in the database or not. Oh, don't worry. Let's do one thing first of all. Get a new environment variable would be better. The best thing would be this, like the new database string. And if you keep getting that, then we'll simply go through it. Otherwise, I also have one last option. I will just control your PC then. Never mind. I hope that it will not go through that. Are you doing that?
Yes.
Okay. Try to create a new database URL altogether. That's active at least at present. And what are you currently doing, Sahil? Like apart from learning coding?
I'm on my last year,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm doing engineering in electronics.
Okay. So you are doing engineering in electronics, and this coding part is there actually included? That is this actually included in your course curriculum?
Mostly ML part is included, but not coding. Means not backend stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Web dev.
Okay, so you are doing it from your own side.
Yes.
Interesting. Alrighty, this thing is almost done. Try to run it again, and let's see what's gonna happen. You will even have to first of all migrate the database.
Yes.
Yeah, you will have to just change it in all of them. Okay, this is fine. WebSocket done, and lastly you need to go to the database. Okay, how about the inside web? Do you also have the environment variable inside web? That should not really matter, even if you don't have. But let's check that thing. Inside web app, I'm talking about.
No, I don't have.
Okay, you don't. That's fine. Run it again and let's see what's gonna happen. CD package database. Okay. How will it go? pnpm. What is the command for migrating? Prisma migrate dev. Dev dev at the end. It should be there. That's it. No, not hyphen dev, just dev dev. Already, database URL is required. Data source URL property is required in Prisma. Migrate data source. Just a sec. Property is required in a Prisma config file using Prisma migrate dev. pnpm. Okay, .env file that's not there. Yeah, .env.config. Yeah, try to write again. Alrighty, it got it. This could have been the problem. It was not getting connected. Yeah, it could be like the database hasn't been getting the environment variable. It hasn't been being loaded. Gotta wait for a while, that is for sure.
Where are you from, brother?
Madhya Pradesh. What about you?
Assam.
Assam. Wow. Great, man. How's the weather there?
Totally means in Guwahati it's really hot.
Oh. That's
But
amazing.
where I stay in my hometown, it's typically weather is little bit cloudy.
Okay. It's been quite cloudy here as well. Like cold wind has been just simply blowing all the day. Migration SQL isn't okay. It is not gonna ask for the name if I'm not wrong.
But name I have
Okay, the name was already mentioned, right? You are just simply migrating it from here, so it's not gonna be asking for that. Okay, this is done. Try to run now. Just go two directories back, if I'm not wrong. Generate the client as well. pnpm prisma generate. Run this command as well. Because you are inside the database, so get it done too. Interesting. Go two directories back. And it's time to run the main command. pnpm dev should do the job. Even before that, you could have run pnpm build. It simply builds it and checks whether the things are actually getting built in the right way. I hope this time it should be working. Let's see. Do you have what is that called? Team Viewer installed on your PC?
no.
Can you install that? But I cannot.
Isn't it the application?
Yeah, it's just an application. You can just simply search it.
Okay. Preview.
Where is that one? My PC. Okay, here we are. This account is a third party places to the new interface and sign. How does this to the new interface? Okay, it turns out that you can't even do that. Some way or the other now I have to just do something. Are you installing that?
Yes.
Okay, and the same thing I'm doing. I hope I'm not getting the new version. Don't know why.
Do I need to click the advanced setting?
Which thing?
Here.
Just a minute. Let me have a look at that. Which option are you getting?
Start team viewer with Windows and show advanced setting.
No, start with Windows. Should be fine, I think. Just a minute. Before even that, I have to just make it work on my device. on. Let's see how it's gonna be going on. The thing is that I just switched it to Ubuntu maybe a month ago or something, and most of the things are unknown here. So some things work really well, some things just get out of control, and then I have to just simply figure it out.
And you are able to see?
On your device. Just a minute. Let me be back. I'm already. I mean, your VS Code is being shared right now. That's it. I mean, you are not sharing the entire screen. Install. Okay, this is done. Team viewer. Team viewer. Where is that team? It starts with team. Time shift. Oh my crazy, why am I okay? Image viewer is here. Where is the team viewer? It turns out I'm not able to find team viewer on my okay, here it is. Seriously? I wasn't able to find it on my PC. Okay. Now these options. Let me even share my screen exactly what I'm doing. That's even gonna be visible. Okay, you are already your ID and password. Don't accept the request if somebody sends you. Otherwise, that person will be able to control your device. Got that? Otherwise, again, you can disconnect it anytime, so that person cannot really do much. But it's better not to accept. You are quite lucky in this case. On Windows it opened really well, and I'm struggling with this. Device deploy. So something better should happen. Let me try to connect directly. Let's see what's gonna happen. So go few steps back.
Where?
Go few steps back. Remote control. Let me show. Show me your ID. You can just simply click on that back button beside signing. Okay, just a sec. 734. I hope it will be able to. I'll be able to connect. Otherwise, I'll have to fix this thing on my device first of all. Then something better will happen. As an added security measure, every outgoing connection requires verified TeamViewer account. If you have a TeamViewer account, please sign in. If not, please create a free account. Create or sign in your account. Okay, I'm gonna be signing up. Let's see whether it actually lets me do that or not. Even the same problem I faced a couple of weeks ago, and I didn't really focus on it. I could have resolved it by now, but okay, never mind, that's my bad. We don't recognize the sign method, please. Okay, continue with Google, sorry. Let's use this one. Hope it will be able to just get it done. Password. Just a minute. Meanwhile, if you just get time, be busy fixing the error. Otherwise, I'm gonna be there. Let's try to do it from the window like this here as well. This section, remote control. This is the ID. Connecting to the TeamViewer server, lining up the packets. Let's see whether it will be able to do that or not. Just a minute. Show me your password. Exactly what that is. Or tell me directly, verbally, depends on you, whichever way you prefer.
4D.
4 capital T, right?
Yes, not capital, all small letter.
Okay.
4D R
8.
R
Okay.
XS
XS
G7
G7 G7
H.
H. Let's try to connect it. Okay, that was a wrong password actually, invalid. Can you show me that? Or type it in the chat. Okay, here 4DRX. Okay, just simply type it here so that I can just simply copy and paste. On the left side, sorry, yeah, right side, not left one. You are getting a chat option just below. Got it. And let's go ahead, connect. Accept my request. Okay, here I am. Okay, this time first of all let me close all these things. Allow. I should be able to control the device. Where am I right now? Team viewer, where am I? Okay, I'm able to control the PC, right? Okay, it's not that much fast. Okay, it's getting better. Let's close this as well. Alrighty, so another one is your mouse. You are controlling or not right now?
No.
Okay, that's fine. So this is the error connection. Fine. I'm gonna be checking everything from the beginning. Packages, database. This is the dist file you have. I will be just simply deleting it. I mean, it doesn't really matter, it can get created again, so that's not really a big problem. Inside Prisma you have migrations, that's fine. You have schema. I mean, this must be okay. Why is this asking me for this? Failed to delete. This is the dist file, right? And this particular part, okay, just for that. Output is gonna be source generated Prisma posted SQL, fine. And source index.ts. From here you are exporting these things, so generated Prisma client.ts. Is this really important to keep the JS at the end? I mean, it can work directly.
Just it was showing error, so
okay, it is showing.
I have done the module export, so
got that. Because of that thing it is showing it. Then you are exporting Prisma from here, and that's it. The things are fine. Inside the environment variables, you ultimately have your environment variables. And tsconfig.json, source this outdir. This should be fine. Yeah, this is actually fine. Alrighty, let's close it. Oh, sorry. I just went back. I wanted to close everything on VS Code, and then I closed everything on my own device. Main tab was closed. Okay, sorry, got disconnected. That was my bad actually. Let me try to connect again. The password, stop the sharing and send the password again. Sorry, that was encrypting the pathway. Is this gonna be working this time? It's not gonna be able to do that. Oh, why did I click Ctrl+Shift+W? It just closed everything. I wanted to just close everything on your device, but it closed on mine. Just paste the ID and password, both of them. in the chat.
The chat.
Chat is on the right side at the bottom. On the right at the bottom. Aren't you getting the chat section?
No.
On the right side of your screen at the bottom. If you just scroll, there is a chat option.
Yes. Cancel option can. 3 dot.
Not the 3 dot. Even just exactly at the corner bottom corner.
Oh.
Bottom corner. Your mouse is somewhere at the top. Yeah, somewhere here. Beside that details button. Aren't you getting that?
No.
Are you on Google Meet right now? Okay, let's do one thing. Share the screen of your Google Meet. This thing you can do. You just did it a while ago, didn't you? Okay. So,
Yes.
so these are the things that you are getting, right? So insane. You are literally not. Click on that more options, yeah. Okay, let me send hi to you. I hope you will be getting after that.
Okay.
Okay, now click on that. That was crazy. This is the password. Send me the ID as well. Quite a bug. Okay, never mind. How could it even just disappear like this?
Yes, sir.
Here we have such a bug that yet to be resolved, and this error is another bug is coming on. Send. Have you copied the ID, just the ID and paste it, or just simply show it to me?
Yes. This is the ID.
Okay. Let's do it one more time. Simply paste it here. Connect. And the next thing is the password. That's gonna be this one. And this time I had better not use the shortcuts. I'm in the habit of using shortcuts, so I just closed everything. I thought I would fix it, and then it got closed.
Mental zindagi.
Yeah. Okay, here we are. Fine. Slowly getting the command, and let's simply remove it from here. Not really required. Okay. So node modules, we were here. I don't want to close the things like that the way I did earlier, so let's simply close all. Simple command. And this database is fine. Nothing needs to be changed here. So inside prisma config.ts, even you have .env, and .env could have this is a way, I mean, and apart from this particular thing there is one more way. I mean, both of them are gonna be working. We will even check this particular thing, but let me use that way as well. So that would be like simple import .env/config, just like this. Process.env, what's wrong with you? Do you need to install? Wow, thank you. Who will?
I have used NPM. TNPM.
Okay. TNPM add as a dev dependency @types/node. Oh, I'll have to ls. Running this command will add dependencies to the work root, which might not. I actually want this here. I should be adding in the root. I should be adding it in the root. So
I think you have to add in the database folder.
Would be better. Packages, database, ls. Okay, let's run the same command. that's only required for that, and that would be fine. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so now the error will go away. Okay, so ultimately that's gone. And path is Prisma, migrations, Prisma is schema.prisma. Okay, this is fine. And nothing else needs to be changed here. Let's delete this one. And package.json. Inside this, URL is dot and default dist index.js. Types dist index.d.ts. You are exporting types 2 times. It's up to you. Like you can do that. Or here, that's already getting exported. Main disk.ts, @db, build tscb, prisma. White, great. What's wrong with this one? Process, do you need, what the hell? Okay, let's see, we'll figure it out later. And this particular thing is done. pnpm build. Am I still going to be getting that? What has to be in the root folder?
Recently what you have installed, node times.
Saved. Okay, it doesn't. If we get the error because of this, then we will be thinking about it. Otherwise, it should be fine. Let's see. pm build. Okay, things seem to be built. One thing is remaining, yeah. So ultimately, yeah, it is getting built properly. Now the only thing is the request. Meanwhile, let me export one thing. Like download one. Do you have Thunderbolt installed?
I think so. I have installed once. I have used.
Thunder. Yeah, Thunder client is already there. Control Shift E. This is the one. From here I will be getting this one, and that's fine right now. Alrighty, so right now we have two things here. This got built. pnpm there. Alrighty, it's on, up and running. At least we aren't getting the errors here. That means everything's fine. And as for this error, just forget it. Later we'll figure it out. Or maybe it could be because of the VS Code itself. So app HTTP server. These list files. Sorry, let's keep it here. I'm gonna be just simply making a request initially and see whether it works or not. So the HTTP server is running where? HTTP server is running on 4000 port. Okay. What is the route for the sign up?
API
API.
V1.
I should be checking. Sign up, something like this.
Yes.
Let's see. So we are inside HTTP server. Source index.ts. So API v1 sign up. Yeah, this is the one. And over here you are supposed to be sending data, and you will be sending what? You will be sending email. What else? Sign up schema. Okay, so username, email, and password. So that's gonna be body. This particular section. Username, email, double quotes needs to be here. Email. What does this mean? Go away now. Email address gmail.com. Password. Alright, let's simply send a request. Got the error 404 not found. Okay, interesting. Yes, IGN sign up localhost. There should be a post request. Send it. Internal server error, fine. And this is the error that I have got. Pretty much good stuff. Sign up error. Error connection model name user. Make a model. It is unable to find Prisma user find unique. Prisma client run time.
I think the user should be in the capital U.
Are you sure?
Not this one.
This one.
Index.ts file.
Index.ts file.
Can you check the schema first?
It's already in the small letters. And
The database schema.
over here, first of all, this is the data you are getting, and data.email, and then data.username, email, and hash the password. I mean, things are fine. Name is the name.
So the Prisma.user.
Prisma. Okay, let me check that.
I think the U should be capital.
No, that does not need to be actually.
Oh.
Prisma. That should be in the small letters only. Okay, let's try to get the same thing done here. So inside this I have my TS build, get rid of this. I'm inside HTTP server and environment variable. Database URL, JWT secret, and port number we have. That's for this one. And package.json. npm run build, npm run start, build node dist island dist index.ts. Fine, I am actually building everything. And this is the dist folder. Turbo.json, delete it. Middleware, it's just simply verifying, and that's fine. Inside my index.ts I have my .env configuration. As I have this, it should be working, but let's come on. Am I crazy? Your .env file should be above the client that you are importing here.
Oh.
Otherwise, how will the client get the .env environment variables? I have faced this issue so many times, and as soon as I just had a look at this, then I realized, oh my god, seriously. Let's keep it at the top. That's it. Nothing that you have to change. .env.config. That's it. Everything's gonna be the same. Just do this much. Same. Let's go to the web.
Yes, so
I mean, it will work. How dare it not work? Let's keep it at the top. It's not even necessary over here because the kind of you are not quite using the Prisma client, but let's give it a try. पता नहीं confidence कहाँ से आया था, करेगा working. नहीं करेगा देख लेंगे और क्या. So okay, it got built and it is running right now. Let's go to the make a request. Sorry.
I think you have not
Build it.
एक बार install कर लो.
npm build. First of all, let's build it. Cleared the cache. That is something that was missing, but apart from this particular thing, let's even run it and let's see. npm dev. You got to be kidding me. Never mind. Prisma client, Prisma. Non-modules client. HTTP server disk index.ts line number 26. Here we are. I mean, not yet. Here we are right now. So line number 26. This is the one. On over here, it is just simply saying that it cannot find that. That's fine. And why is it not able to find that? I'm importing my Prisma over here from @db. Okay. Let's do one thing. CLG from HTTP server, and that's gonna be what? Process.env.database URL, right? Database URL. I hope I've written it rightly. And right now, stop everything, run it again. From HTTP server, I got my environment variables here. Once I have the environment variables, and if I make a request, I get the. So it is not like we are not getting the environment variables, we are getting them. Gonna line number 31, client.js, error connection refused. It is refusing the connection. Why is it doing so? Let me ask ChatGPT. It will just simply tell the same thing, like it is this error. Just a second, give me a moment. Here we are. I can't really copy that. Interesting. But I can take a screenshot. This is gonna be solved today. Anyhow, ऐसे कैसे नहीं होगा? So there are two separate things going on. Invalid Prisma user find invocation. Model user. If your Prisma schema has user this, then the correct client will be user. But if your model name is capitalized user, Prisma will expose it like Prisma user. Check your schema model name and make sure you are calling the correct one. Schema, let's simply check the schema. First of all, before getting anything else done, so inside this Prisma schema, where is that? So am I inside the database? Here we are, and we have user like this, room like this, chat like this. That's fine. And apart from this particular thing, check if users but calling, okay, fine. Second, meaning Prisma could not connect to your database. Prisma is unable to connect it to our database. So it's better to use some another database URL provider, not Prisma right now, especially in this particular case. So let's do that too. So over here, can you open a browser for me? Because I was unable to open that. Here we are. And new tab. Otherwise, I will try to use a container for it. Prisma, just search Prisma. Even Prisma provides this. So let's click on this, and you can get the database URL from here to create a database. You only get 5 ones, but yeah, this is also one of the options. You have already created it. new project. This is gonna be the testing one. You can delete it later. And get started.
So, are you currently doing freelancing?
Not really. I'm just busy with the learning stuff. Like, I just want to get some of the things ready, then I'm gonna even apply for the jobs and all. And US Virginia create project. Connect.
तो भाई एक दो प्रोजेक्ट बनाने में हेल्प करो ना.
Okay, we will work. Like, I mean, yeah, don't really have any problem with that. I mean, we can just work in a projects where we are actually working together, just managing something or the other on a daily basis, and then discussing this stuff. So it would be better. Full apps, yeah, that's fine right now. And I can go to VS Code. Here we are. And let me stop everything. First of all, this environment variable, don't need it here. The top level. Then second environment, literally, yeah, I did the right thing. If I'm not wrong. Database environment variable, and paste it. This is the first one that I've got. Second environment variable, database is done. Two things are remaining. Second one is the WS server. WS server is running on 4000.
No. It is 40 HTTP.
840?
880.
80, right?
Yes. 80.
Okay. And apart from this particular thing, let's remove this one. Whenever I face this kind of issue, I actually start using my local database. These online databases do get problematic sometimes. I use container for that, so Docker containers, so it's easy to just simply spin up them.
So I have to just configure the Docker in.
It's easy, like just learn it. Once you have learned it, it's gonna be even easy. Don't worry. If it does not work, then I will be even spinning it up. So that's not really a big problem. Okay, so cd packages database ls pnpm prisma migrate dev. Meanwhile, let me delete these turbo related stuff, so I don't really have anything extra. And same is gonna be here. Turbo automatically gets created. It simply caches the your code. Turbo and dist. Fine, let it get done. Meanwhile, at least this much can be done. UI, wow, it automatically gets created. Inside schema, you have schema related stuff. So overall, these are the things. Inside web. Turbo. Okay, fine. How long is it gonna take? Let's see. Can't reach the. Literally. Please make sure your database is running. There. Do you have container installed?
Yes.
Dhanyavad. Docker process status. Failed to connect to API. Start the container. Start the Docker. Just a minute. Let me close this. Yeah, continue. Okay, finally. At least there is something reliable this time. Yeah, man. It's been crazy. Okay, it's running right now. Fine. Let me work with the local database. ls So Docker process status, there are no processes right now. Docker images, looks like you created one. Okay, so what do we want to do? Docker run, and I will be running Postgres on which particular let's do one thing. What is the use? Not use Postgres SQL runs on 5432, right? It does run on it. Docker Postgres SQL. Just simply search the whole command. I mean, that would be okay. Don't worry about the command. We'll write it. It runs on 54. Scroll a bit below. This, yeah.
5432.
Okay, let's end the password. So password can be created by yourselves. Okay, so Docker run, and the port number is gonna be 5432 and 5432. The name is gonna be Postgres SQL, so that Postgres DB. So using this name you can just simply start it every time. So port is configured, name is configured. Let's give it the environment variable. That's gonna be Postgres password, and let's make it Postgres 12345, and this is the local password, so it doesn't really matter. So port name this. I need a volume too. So volume, again I have to just look at the volume. This is something you need to keep in mind. I'm gonna be having a look at. Show me that Google response. Is there any volume? Oh, you deleted that. Hatao. Don't worry about that. Go to Google volume. There is a specified path, a particular path that needs to be for the. Okay, stop here. Stop right here. And is okay. They haven't mentioned the volume. We had better use the volumes, because using the volumes you can persist the data. Just a minute, give me a second. I'm gonna be getting the command from my side. Okay. Docker. Just a second, I'll be back. So I have this one. So, and how can I get the volume for this? So volume is Postgres DB. This is the volume on the local host, and it will be connected to where lib Postgres and this data. And I think data is even not data is needed here. So okay, just give me a moment. Yeah, I think this should be the one. I hope I'll be able to copy and paste this. Remaining things I will be adding. It's not like this is gonna be the complete one, but it is more than enough that I need. Okay, I should be going to this one.
Are you still live now?
Yeah, I think I am. Okay, that's still going on. Okay, let it go. That doesn't really matter. Okay, here we go. This is the volume Postgres DB. This is the name. Postgres DB is the name. That volume will be created on your local device, and this is the path of the directly where it will be mounted. So we are just simply mounting this folder to this particular folder of the container, so that it is just simply connected to the database of the container. The local database is connected. Come on, how can I explain it? Local volume is mounted to the volume of the container, so both of them are connected, your container and your local volume. So whenever you just stop your container, because your local volume is connected to the container's volume, so you will not lose the data in your container. The volume is mainly used for this. So Docker run 5432, this is the one, and that's it. We don't really need to do anything else. So Postgres DB, this I have left something or what? Okay, it doesn't really matter. I can just code the remaining things on my own. So port number is here. Let's keep the name, and name is gonna be Postgres DB, and apart from it I need to have environment variables, and that's gonna be postgres password, and that's going to be postgres 1234. What else do I need to have? I need to run it in the detached mode, and I need to run postgres. Alright, see, docker run, port number is this, volume is this, name is this, password is this, and this password will be used when you try to use pgadmin. Okay, so if you are using pgadmin, so you will have to use this particular password, postgres 1234, in order to see the data. Do you have pgadmin?
PGA
Okay, it is kind of a GUI, graphical user interface for PostgreSQL.
No, I'm not installed.
Okay, never mind, that got deleted. How is how are the things getting deleted on your side?
I really don't know, I have not touched it.
Okay, never mind. So docker run name postgresdb, environment variable postgres 3241, or let's make it I'm gonna be pasting everything this time, 1234 or anything. Let's make it 3241 only. Postgres usage is gonna be postgresdb is better off. Let's make the db postgres this no xcal I draw db will be created. What is the name of the database that there's been no database. Let me check it. So the file that you've been using, so in that case, what was the name of the data? They've been creating the database on their own, but this time you need to have a database name as well. Okay, the database name is gonna be xclide.db. Okay, and 5432 postgres db volume, and this and postgres. Let me copy it all. I will be giving the command to you, and I will be explaining everything so that you can do the things on your own. This is the command that I will be running. Paste it. Can't I paste it properly? Are you sure you want to paste several lines into text?
Mostly one line.
I have to convert them into one line. Alright, let's write some things on our own. So first of all, this is gonna be volume. So let's give it a proper name. So postgres db volume and 5432 lib. This is fine. This is the part that I got from Google. That's fine. Volume is here and port number is already there. And we are gonna be having this name so that next time we can start it again. Name is gonna be postgres db. Environment variable, that's gonna be postgres. How is that written? Just a sec. Postgres password, this is how it's written. Underscore PASSWORD and PO. Postgres 1234. Let's make it like this. And is there anything? Docker, don't touch anything, okay? Docker run 5432. Postgres db volume lib name postgres db environment variable. It will be running in the detached mode, and I want to run postgres. Run it. It got deleted twice. Okay, it's simply installing the image, and then it will just simply start running there. And meanwhile, let's work on the database section here. So right now I'm not really gonna be having this one, rather this is gonna be somewhat different. Okay, so it's gonna be postgresql, because of course I'm running that postgresql and // the host name is postgres, and then password is postgres 3241 host. Okay, this is the database, of course. Set database and password. The host is localhost, and it will be running on 5432, and the database name is gonna be this time xklidra db, xklidra db, so that we can recognize this, because you will have many dbs right inside one collection. So xklidra db, this is fine. Okay, this is even done. Docker process status, it is running, it is not running. Docker psa, what exactly happened? So 34 seconds ago, postgres db, and this docker start and postgres db, docker process status. What the heck? Something is up. Why is this not running? Okay, docker logs, sorry, not logs, just log, I think. Even this is not fine. So docker log else. So that is definitely log. There are many things, I better just write it. So docker log, or log of what? Log of postgres db. Let's make it logs. Alrighty, this is the one. So database initialized and super user password is not specified. You must specify. Oh, this is the way. That is why I over there I used hyphen, and actually this underscore should have been used there. That simply means I had better create it again. So the command that I actually used, but before that let me delete the image docker, not image, the process status that is stopped. So docker remove, and I will be removing postgres db, docker psa. Right now that's not there. And let's go to history. History, and I will be copying this command again, but this time I will have to just change few things. Come on, I'm not able to get the whole command. Okay, let's go do that like this. Okay, here we are. One thing needs to be changed, not I need underscore. Postgres password, run it again. Docker process status, postgres password. Okay, never mind, we'll figure it out. Okay, so docker logs postgres db. What is the problem this time? Error. In 18 plus, these docker images are configured to store database data in a format which is compatible with this. Okay, fine. And counter to that is there appears to be PostgreSQL data in this. This usually the result of upgrading to Docker image without upgrading underlying the PG. Okay. Nowadays it is actually suggested to store the data here. So ultimately there's a new version. Earlier the data used to be stored like this, and right now if you are using 18 plus, so you will have to go with this particular path. Keep that particular thing in mind. Okay, let's do it again. But yeah, we are learning. Docker process status, and let's stop it. I'll have to remove it so that I can create postgres db docker ps. Okay, this is gonna be the last one, then it will be working. The thing is that earlier it was being used, it's not like it was not, but after 18 plus version it is not being used, rather only PostgreSQL you have to specify. Run it again, docker process status, and congratulations, finally your container is running. Okay, so over here this is the port number that it is running on 5432, and this is the name of the database, and this is the ID. Okay, everything's fine. And what you can actually do that Postgres, one more thing you can, I'm on your device, so go to Google, because you want to see your data as well that's getting saved in your device. and search PG admin. Alrighty, let's simply install it. Click on download and it will be downloaded. You are using 5G, aren't you?
Yes.
Okay, thank God. Otherwise that could have been problematic because I'm actually making you download many things. Okay, just wait for it over here. Download for Windows. Third party cookie block. Okay, never mind. Is this getting downloaded or not?
For Windows, which one? The latest.
Yeah, I just clicked on download. Yeah, click on the latest one. Okay, click on PG admin exe. I can click on that too. Save it here. Double click on it so that it's gonna be opening too. Opening in 2 minutes. That's great. What else? Okay, meanwhile we can get it done. This is mainly for looking at the database. But apart from this particular thing, let's go to the VS Code again and let's see whether it actually does the job or not. So I just need to copy this URL. And this time
password.
I
think it's Postgres. Can you
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 right?
Postgres 1 2 3 4.
Yeah, sorry for that. Control C and let's go to the environment variable of the HTTP server. I'm already there, right? HTTP server, yeah. I can go to WebSocket server, this one. Inside this environment variable. Just a sec. This has been pasted and lastly we need to go inside the database. Alrighty, overall things are done. Especially this time, if you just migrate, it will not take a lot of time. So ls pnpm database, I'm already inside that. Prisma migrate dev. Oh, sorry. Migrate dev. Alright, this is running and pnpm prisma generate. Let's pnpm build. Hopefully this will be connected. The build is done fine, and lastly the running it and then checking whether it is actually able to save the data and all. And meanwhile even that thing is gonna be open. The PG admin, we'll check that too. pnpm dev. Yeah, you can click on yes. Click on install only for me, and next accept and continue. Next, install it. Okay, meanwhile we can just simply come back here, pnpm dev. Alrighty, it is running. Let's simply make a request. So for that thing we can actually go to this particular finger crossed. What else? This is the only thing I can say. Send it. This time error is something else, or this time error is big. User was denied access on database not available. Database is not available this time. When I migrated, it should have been created, but they are simply saying that database is not created. Let's simply check this thing right now. So I hope that PG admin got installed. Open PG admin. Database is not there. How will it be possible? Migration should means database is going to be created. Okay, that's okay. Never mind. Let's continue. I can just simply go inside that. So let's see. PSQL username Postgres. Localhost. Migration should have created that. I don't know why this happened. Migration did not create. Because we did not add anything. Because of that thing, we had better push it. Let's do it. CD packages, database, ls, npm, not npm, pnpm, prisma, db push. I think this is the command. Database is already synced. I don't want this, rather I'm gonna be changing something in my database so that, or let's forget about changing it. Let's simply delete this particular part from here. Inside database prisma, I'm gonna be deleting the migrations, and prisma migrate dev. Now it should be asking the name, right? Okay, got it. Prisma pnpm prisma migrate reset. Yes, pnpm prisma migrate dev. This time it should be asking for the data, like the name of the schema. So I'm naming it in the schema. Okay, this is done, and let's go a few steps back. Right now, at least database must have been created, and that simply means we should not be getting that error. pnpm dev. गजब है यार. I mean, seriously. Driver database access denied this time. That's fine. I'll have to check whether the database actually exists or not. User was denied to access on the database. Database is the problem right now. I'll even have to check whether the database does exist. Open PG admin. Or we could have added the database name as well in our configuration when we actually created the container, but let's see. Open that. Can you see the PG admin right now? Or is that getting okay? Here it is. Open it. Alright, let's wait for a while. At least on this particular GUI, we can actually check the database that got actually created easily, and that's what it is used for. How long, by the way, how many hours do you get in a day to just simply code?
Currently, I'm not going to classes because useless actually for the final year.
Okay, so you are just home all the day.
Yes.
So do you just keep coding all the day?
Not all the day, but typically mostly because nothing else to do, and money matters.
It does. Get it? How long will this PG admin take, man? It does take time initially when it just simply spins up. Finally, धन्यवाद. It's like भाई हो गया तू open धन्यवाद. I should be thanking for it. Yeah, I have been waiting for a long. Let me make it big screen. Let's close everything. Alrighty, servers. Literally, I have nothing here. How can that even be possible? That is why I was getting that error over there. Okay, I'll actually have to connect it initially this time. Sorry for that. So let's click on register and register or create. I think I should be registering it. And name is gonna be anything. So let's name it PostgresDB. Depends on you what you wanna name it. Click on connection. Host is gonna be localhost. Postgres, and the password was you remembered, Postgres 1234. Click on save. And right now here we have PostgresDB. Double click on this, and then it should be showing you the remaining stuff. Okay, inside that I have my database. Inside my database I have my SQL.
Yes, we have.
We have it. Inside schema, let's make it bigger. At least we are able to see something. And inside that we have the users as well. The thing is that it said that what is the name of this? Xcal I draw DB. And what did we mention it in the database? Like here, environment variable Xcal I draw DB. What is the problem then? Postgres SQL, just a minute. Postgres ql.org. Let me search it. Click on documentation. Not Postgres SQL, let's simply search Prisma. So Prisma database URL. Give me a second, I'll be back. Let me check the structure of the database. It should be Postgres username, password db5432, SSL mode, okay. And lastly we had better, we are supposed to be having the database URL, db, yeah, my db. So if I'm mentioning the same here, even it worked initially, that means that should not be the problem. So xcali.db database URL. Give me a second. Postgres 1234 localhost 5432 xcali.db, but Postgres rejected it. Why possible? If your local Postgres password is not a Postgres 1234, then authentication fails. Postgres. Stop it. Control Shift V. PSQL Postgres localhost 5432. Wow, the term PSQL is not recognized. It's not installed. Okay, fine. I'll have to install it separately. But never mind. That's not the main focus on right now. Oh, why is this behaving like this? User was denied access on database not available. Database not available. Xscale I draw DB and inside this I do have user. I have these many things. That means I do have the database and the URL is definitely right. So what am I missing? Let's even install PSQL now. Let me do that too. So Google Chrome. Install PSQL on Windows. Download. I don't want to install PostgreSQL because I'm already using it inside the container. How do I just install the client's tools for PostgreSQL? Yeah, that's what I want to do. And this is the easiest way. Which one? Pip install, not pip install. Install PSQL on. Install only PSQL on Windows. Will you help me? PSQL. How can I install it? Install PSQL clients for Windows. Seriously, can't they just make it simplified? How to install PSQL on Mac Ubuntu and Windows? Install PSQL without PostgreSQL. Brave after that. Let's keep it on Windows. For Windows, just please use the interactive installer by EDB. This is the usual way of installing PostgreSQL. Okay, that's it. What are they saying? This is the usual way of installing Postgres on Windows, but to install the client only select the command line tools and uncheck the other ones. Okay, fine. Only select the command line tools and uncheck the other ones when selecting the components during installation. Fine, thank you. Click on download. Window. Is there any installer? There's not even an installer page or what? Can you see any download option? Download, come on. macOS Windows installer. It's gonna be too much. Okay, let it install and let me go to what the hell, are you there?
I am here, but I think you have not.
I've been working on my device, I didn't even realize it. Literally. I've been installing the things on my device rather than installing them on yours. I'll remove this particular section from me. You could have let me know, like, you are not doing what you were supposed to do.
I thought the screen sharing was shared.
Okay, so let's. Why am I doing? I mean, facing this error. User database is not created. This is should not happen because database is automatically creating the database, and the same database I'm actually using here, the same URL inside the HTTP server. Even it runs well. PostgreSQL, Postgres 1234 @localhost 5432 xkil draw db. There's nothing. Okay, there's only one thing that I can actually install. PSQL2 on your device. So PSQL I was supposed to click on what? This one. I will be only using the command line because PostgreSQL is actually running inside the container. So let's click on this.
Why we are downloading this?
So that we can check the database from the command line.
Command line.
Because we are able to check the database from the GUI, but for CLI we have to install this PSQL. Again, this is gonna be time taking. Postgres, let's even make it QL. This doesn't even matter, it should be working fine. 5432. I'm gonna check out the error, exactly which particular page it is coming from. Client.js is no client. User was denied access on the database. Okay. Client.js. @Prisma client / runtime. It is inside the client.js. Okay, @Prisma. Node modules. Okay, let's do one thing now. Enough. Turbo. Okay, and delete permanently. Which one am I deleting? Let me even check that first of all. There should be this VS Code. and then inside HTTP server I have this turbo, I have this list, I have these node modules, and inside my web I have .next, I have this turbo, I have these node modules, inside WS WebSocket, node modules, dist, turbo, then these node modules, delete command enter. Okay, it is getting deleted. So ultimately I hope I have deleted everything. Okay, it's been downloaded, right? This is the one. From here we just need the command line, we don't need the database because we have that inside the container. Later in future if you want the database you can just run it again and you can just select the database as well. Got it?
Okay.
Right now I'm just gonna be simply going with the command line because database is being used from the container side. But again this loading thing is gonna be time taking. Meanwhile let me check this particular stuff. I have deleted everything right now. pnpm just install everything. It will be time taking. pnpm build.
Zone is validating it.
At least this is not throwing the error. Everything else is fine. pnpm.
I mean the migration worked, but still.
Yeah, migration worked and then it is just simply saying that database is not connected. If the URL was the problem, it should not have been migrated.
Yes.
Driver adopter, database denied. Usually when this happens, HTTP server index.js line number 26, they're just simply saying that database is denied. Let's go to the HTTP server. Next, I just want the command line, I'm just uncommenting the remaining ones. Got it? It will be quick because just command line is going to be installed. Finish it. Alrighty, right now I should be able to use that particular command as well inside that PSQL command. This one I can come back here, run it here. PSQL user is gonna be capital U, Postgres. Host is gonna be localhost. Port is gonna be 5432. Why is this happening right now? Prisma define Prisma config. What does this mean? Okay, gata install. What the hell? Okay, fine. Let's go to Prisma. Even this is missing right now. So you will have to go to Prisma and you will have to install all the required packages. Prisma Turbo. Click on this. Okay, Control Shift V. What are you using? This is PowerShell. Don't you have Bash?
Yes, Bash.
You do have that. Bash is quite helpful in this particular case. Got it? So you had better use this particular terminal. Okay. Inside Bash you get a Linux commands and also it's better than at least PowerShell. You can copy and paste many things at the same time. Yes. And this got installed, so that error must be going away. Reload window. Let's see. ls pm dev. What am I supposed to click? That Thunderbolt. Not Thunderbolt, it's just Thunder Client. Let's click on this. Body, I think it has the data. Send it. Database access denied. Xcal Hydra project. PSQL. Come on, not found. Why am I not able to find the command PSQL?
I think we have to restart.
Probably. Apart from this particular thing, program files. Do I have PSQL? Maybe we need to add the environment variable path. Postgres SQL AD bin. This is the path of it. Search environment variables. This particular part. Environment variables. simply add a new one. Okay. Same could be here. We could have done here as well. Okay, it switches to PowerShell automatically. Interesting. No, PowerShell was just open by default. Just a sec. Git bash, select default. Is there any default terminal? Configure terminal settings. Okay, let's get rid of this. This is too much. It should be just fine with this much setup. So simply open git bash from here. You can even delete it, kill this PowerShell if you want. So you only have this bash one and pnp, not pnpm, psql. Not found. You may have to restart your PC. Okay, you can restart it later and then check this thing out whether it works or not. And maybe we will have to go through it tomorrow too. It doesn't really seem to be working today, and it's gonna be taking don't know how long this way. Body. The simple error, and that is the database denied. User database denied. Fine. Am I getting the database URL here? So turns out that's not here. Let's check this thing out for the last time. Don't worry, I will go through it tomorrow too. Index.ts. I mean, we'll get it done anyhow. But before that, let me check it. CLG. And HTTP server, and that's gonna be process.env.database. Got it? HTTP server. This is the PostgreSQL Postgres 1 2 3 4 localhost 5432 explorer. Push it on what? Push it to GitHub. I am gonna be doing that so that I can do it, run the same thing on my device.
Okay.
For now, let's check it for the. There's no last time. Let's simply push it.
Oh my god.
I will be checking it on my own side, don't worry. And once I'm done with this, I'll be letting you know. But before that, Git. Do you have Git in it here?
Yes, yes.
Git add. Just add everything. Oh! Do you have Git ignore? Yeah. No. Git ignore. Yeah, you do have that. What all is it ignoring? Is it ignoring the env files? Thankfully, yes. fix the bug. That's it. What else? Get status it should be. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's do it remote. Do you have that? I think you don't have. Create a one thing, a repository on GitHub, and push it from here. Do it right now, and then I will be checking it. Don't worry. If we start working on it from the beginning, there's very less chance of facing this error. But right now, it is.
Now we can initiate another project.
No, it's better to just simply solve it, because solving it we will actually end up learning a lot, and next time onwards we will not face it. We'll be okay with this. Okay, click on the new over here, the green color button. Make it a Xcali draw project. Okay, this name is even fine. Testing, yeah, that's better. Okay, scroll below. You must be knowing that. Create a repository. I hope that's public by default. Go to the bottom. Copy all the below ones, below code. Yeah. Copy it and paste it in the code, in the terminal. Control. Okay. Enter it. It will automatically push it. And this time I'm gonna be forking it. Authorize it. Click on verify email. You will get an OTP on your Gmail. Pseudo authentication failure. Have you copied the right one? There's no one in the email. Is this the right Gmail that you are looking for?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just simply push it, because my mobile is going to be logged any moment. That simply means I will not be online. If it happens, just keep in mind. Send me the send the link of this repo, okay, on in the group, so that I can actually fork it and then I can start working on this. Okay, here you got that. No, not the Gmail, rather just the password you have to enter. No, OTP. Click on pseudo email verification code that you got from the GitHub site. Okay, you've done it. Good job. You can go back to your terminal. I think it's done. So go to your GitHub. Yeah, it's done. You can go to your GitHub and you should be able to see that. Click on that GitHub profile, Shahed, the third one from the last. I can upload it too. Here we are. So let's reload the page. You are already getting it here. Are we here? Are you there? Okay, so this is already here. I'm just simply even gonna be, I can fork it on my device, right? So let me copy the URL and tell me the what is, I am not able to copy from there. Can you send it in the group? The URL, yeah. Copy it from here and send it in the, send it there. Huh?
Okay, I will.
Okay, Arav. Oh yeah, send it in the group and then I'll be forking it and then let's see what's gonna happen. Okay.
Okay. So.
Let's call it here today. We will catch up again tomorrow once the error is resolved on my side, and then I'll be letting you know. Alrighty?
Thanks, buddy.
You're most welcome. Not a problem. I do want to get stuck with the errors because at the end I'm also learning.
I would like to talk to you about something else more.
Definitely. We will take the time out and
I will work on myself also.
yeah, definitely. Take care and see you.